Alright, Super Dragon Ball Hero fans, tonight we're gonna draw Super Android 17, Android 18 absorbed. First time I ever told you about that. It's been a while since we've drawn Super Android 17. You know, because it's gonna be summer real soon. Anyways, this takes place on Dragon Ball GT, where they come across Android 17. Well, Super Android 17. Toa used her magic to fuse Android 17 and Android 18 into one being. And, well, if they were gonna fuse, but they shouldn't fuse it like that. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat
Alexa,
the
stop.
song.
Dragon Ball Heroes, there's like no longer will you be as hero. With all this energy,
There we go.
shining so splendidly, it's time for you to show the world what you can do. Dragon Ball Heroes. If you wish to be the best, then fight hard like all the rest. You must train hard before you can find yourself. Everybody has energy right from the start. It's just waiting to be unlocked from deep inside your heart. Now, gather all your friends. You will make it in the end. Courage is your strength as it hardly and easily explodes inside your soul. Dragon Ball Heroes, you're slowly turning into superheroes. See all those enemies that stand in your way, take them down and break your limits. Dragon Ball Heroes, that's right, no longer will you be a zero. With all this energy shining so splendidly, it's time for you to show the world what you can do. Dragon Ball Heroes. Right before your eyes, your power takes to the skies. The excitement inside you begins to build. Everybody has fears and doubts right from the start. They're just waiting to be birds from deep inside your heart. Now go and meet your foe. There's no time to
Alexa,
take.
play Bikini Bottom.
Here's Bikini Bottom / Rock Bottom by SpongeBob, featuring Sandy and others on Amazon Music.
There we go. Now we draw the long hair.
Way, way down deep beneath the sea.
There. That's how you draw Android 18.
That's home, sweet home.
Absorbed Super Android 17.
There's nowhere like here anywhere.
If you want to find out more on how to draw more robots like this, leave a comment below and check out the Dragon Ball playlist. And I'll be there as soon as possible. Be sure to like and block and subscribe to my channel. Stay good, see you later. Good night, and happy summer.